is Ben from Mexs Garage, and this is Ride of the Week. So basically with this one, we got Rob's 40 Chevy Pickup in at the moment. Just gave it a bit of a birthday. It's got all new slam bags, new front shocks. It's running the Detroit Steely wheels on it. AccuAir management system and VIAIR compressors in the back with the AccuAir valve block. Also on Rob's pickup, we end up putting a AccuAir hideaway mount on it. So basically when you hit your 2 levels up, once it comes up to form, the light goes solid and then you can pretty much fold it away for easy access.